Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Many of you guys ask me in the comment section below why it costs so much to replace VVT timing gear. That's the variable timing gear, also known as a camshaft sprocket. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. We'll explain what needs to be done on most cars. There are two designs and we will explain why it's really expensive, but in some cases it may not be the gear that's bad, and make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain it could be something really simple guys. Before we start, okay, let me introduce you a little bit to the channel. If you need to buy new sprocket gears, any parts, tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price, quick shipping as well. Number two guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. That being said guys, let's explain why it's so expensive to replace VVT variable timing gears. Okay, those are right here guys, actuators. It's pretty simple guys. Okay, those devices are very important for the normal operation of the engine. Higher mileage engines, okay, we'll start needing those, but it could be something else as well, and we're going to cover that. There are two designs. One is driven by a timing chain, one is driven by a timing belt. Now, doesn't matter which one it is, usually the timing belt ones are a little bit not as complicated, a little bit easier to remove and replace, but timing chains guys usually take a little bit more work because the timing belt usually is on the outside of the engine, so you don't need to remove so much stuff, but timing belts, timing chains guys, you have to do quite a bit of disassembly. But still, in any case you need to remove your belt or your chain, and that is time consuming. In many cases you need to remove for sure valve cover guys, you need to remove engine mounts, you will need to remove your often, not always, but you need to remove your oil pan, you will need special tools. For instance, we need that tool to hold the camshaft in fixed place. You need one tool for TDC, for top dead center. Then you need another tool for, if you have a timing chain, for the flywheel holder too, so you can remove the bolt on the crankshaft. So you can see how many tools, and some cars even have a special alignment tool for the oil pump. So you need a special tool because the oil pump always often guys has counterbalance weights that prevent vibrations. So if not aligned, okay, that's going to be very noisy engine, vibrating engine, the car will not run right. Now that's why it costs so much, because it takes quite a bit of disassembly. The gears itself, they're not very complicated, okay, but if you guys have a code for a gear, okay, always check your VVT solenoid. That's the solenoid that lets the oil go in and out. Okay, it activates. So cleaning the solenoid often can fix that problem, and we have a video that explains how to clean VVT solenoid. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. If not, search for how to clean VVT solenoid. Number two guys, if that doesn't work, flush the engine with an oil cleaner additive. I'll put the one by Leaky Moly, really good one, in the description of the video below. Once you flush it, sometimes you will have bad oil deposits in those. There is multiple canals inside. Okay, you can see where the holes are. That's where oil goes through, and if you have bad oil deposits, it will prevent them from working correctly. So cleaning the oil system on your car, okay, it's really simple. All you have to do, add the additive before oil change, run it for a certain time, drain it. You have to follow the instructions on the bottom. Can solve your problem. We've done that many times in the past, so definitely guys, check it out. Now hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure out why it's so expensive. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.